Plant magic. No drainage hole with only cocoa peat. Look how healthy this is. I grew this plant only using cocoa peat in a glass jar and I water them every other day. Look how healthy the plant is. You also can do it. Give it a try and see. This is money pothos, beautifully growing in a glass jar with cocoa peat. There are no drainage holes in this plant. Then how come I grew this huge money pothos plant? Take a close up of this. Look, there are no drainage holes, but I managed to grow them very healthily, beautifully, and also bushily. So today I will be sharing with you some of the planters that you can use indoors as an indoor plant only. So you can use this method to grow plants. Stay tuned until the end. Look at this. This is also the same, no drainage hole. But the plant is growing really very healthy and also very green. This is a marble queen pothos. So what is my secret? Select any plant, any glass jar or ceramic jar without a hole. That is the first thing. So only thing is you need cocoa peat and place the plant, especially the money pothos plants, and you can grow them really very beautifully. Look at this one. This is a neon pothos along with a enjoy pothos stem. And there are no drainage holes in this as well. This is a glass bottle which I turn into a plant. Only cocoa peat and the plant. See how beautiful. I decorate my home with these plants. So normally I keep them indoors. Keep in mind these plants and planters are for indoors, not for outdoors. Here I am with another plant in a glass jar. Look, no holes, but my plant is very healthy. So the secret is using cocoa peat, and every other day I give it a misspray in the morning, or sometimes I use water for the roots every other day, but not much, only a very little of water. Money pothos plants are very easy to grow since they are low maintenance and permanent plants, and this is one of my favorite. Now this is also another neon pothos in a glass jar. So I have used only cocoa peat. So if you are a person who love indoor plants, you can also try this method. Put stems of money pothos, any type. Put any type of money pothos plants in cocoa peat and any planter you like without any drainage hole. Only thing is you can use them indoors, because once they get caught to too much of water or rain, then the story ends there, because these plants cannot survive. These planters are without drainage holes, so you will have to be very mindful since these are indoor plants and also the planter is indoor. So you can't use this planter outdoors. So decorate your home like this, very easy method, and grow beautiful plants, especially the pothos plant. So friends, if you have any questions coming into your head right now, how you do this, how to spray, or whatever the question that comes up, just put in the comments bar. I will help you out with my knowledge, how I have done it. And also friends, hope this video is very useful and unique for you. If you are new, consider to subscribe to my channel Tamara's Garden.